Hi, I'm Sheersha Guha Chakuta and you're watching me on Awesome TV. So Vidya, because she's such a big star, she's aware of it and she will make sure she does whatever it takes to make the other person comfortable.
आपको जो पता चला विद्या बालन on board है, तो how was that for you? Oh, like Vidya Balan, it's like
so honestly, I'm not starstruck like that. So it was not, for me it was not, but I knew I had a fantastic actor on board.
But there is any upcoming movie or you're looking a project which is different?
No, not right away. But yeah, I'll take my time to find something I enjoy.
Hi, this is Sejal Makicha and you're watching me on Awesome TV. आज हमारे साथ है शीर्षा जी, जिनकी एक पहली प्यारी सी मूवी आई है जिसका नाम है दो और दो प्यार. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आपको सबसे पहले. तो रिव्यू काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, मतलब आपने रीड किया रहेगा, तो आपको कैसा लगा?
It is extremely overwhelming because there are lots of very fine things that people have caught on that I did not expect. People have actually said things like you don't feel like judging anybody, you don't, you feel for all four of them. These are very important things that we tried to do when we started working on the film. So when people catch on to these things, we feel very happy.
Okay. तो आपकी जब फैमिली ने देखा, मतलब फैमिली का इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है हम पे लोगों से ज़्यादा.
I know they haven't seen him. My parents haven't seen it yet. My brother and all have, and they usually say good things when they
yes,
see.
obviously.
Yeah, they don't have the heart to say, but I think they liked it.
Okay. जब हम बात करें विद्या बालन एंड प्रतीक गांधी की, वो काफ़ी बड़े एक्ट्रेस है और लाइक विद्या बालन इज सुपर ग्रेट एंड ऑब्वियसली प्रतीक गांधी भी, बट आपके लिए उनके साथ कम्युनिकेशन कैसा रहा?
So Vidya, because she is such a big star, she's aware of it and she will make sure she does whatever it takes to make the other person comfortable. So if it means before the shoot, to spend enough time with you to make you feel so comfortable that you should never feel that, oh, should I tell her, should I not tell her? There is enough ease so you can just walk up to her and tell her whatever you want, and that's her generosity actually. So at no point did, I feel intimidated or it was actually the easiest. Sometimes even if I had worries about other things, maybe it could be with art, costume, styling, something.
Exactly.
She would be my sounding board.
Wow.
And you can just go to her and ask her, what do you think? Do you think this would work or that would work? And we discuss it. She brings it to that kind of an ease.
Wow.
So you can really do whatever you want. It's a team effort. She knows that, and she does whatever it takes to get the team effort going.
एज ए डायरेक्टर आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग था? मतलब यू हैव डन एड्स, बट मूवी करना तो बहुत बड़ा चैलेंजिंग पार्ट हो जाता है.
एक्चुअली चैलेंजिंग शूट तो एकदम भी नहीं था बिकॉज देयर वर सच गुड एक्टर्स. those 12 hours on set was absolute joy.
Wow.
You just have to go and they would just do it. It felt so easy. But of course there are different types of challenges, because there are so many people that are involved. You have to bring everybody onto the same page. Different people have different ideas. People have creative inputs. You don't want everybody's creative inputs.
Exactly.
So those are challenges because there are so many people that are involved in making a film. But apart from that, were there any challenges? Not for me. I'm sure for the producers there were challenges. But for me it was very easy.
Wow, awesome.
I got everything I wanted. I got my toys. I had great actors.
Yes.
I had a lot of fun.
तो आपको जो पता चला विद्या बालन ऑन बोर्ड है, तो how was that for you? Oh, like Vidya Balan, it's like
so honestly, I'm not starstruck like that. So it was not, for me it was not, but I knew I had a fantastic actor on board. And that's pure joy. Vidya, Prateek, for me are actors, right? At the end of the day, you have to make a film work.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, for me at least, it doesn't matter whether it is a star or not. Do you work for the character?
Exactly.
So she was perfect for the character and she's a fantastic actor. So what more could I ask for? So I was thrilled for that, and I knew that, I was thrilled for the actor that I got, not for the star.
ओके, दो और दो प्यार काफ़ी वर्ड्स बता देता है, तो कैन यू जस्ट ब्रीफ थोड़ा सा स्टोरी टेलिंग?
So the thought that we had while making the film is that love is complicated.
Yes.
There are no rules, there is no formula, there's no equation that you can fit in. 2 and 2 doesn't add up to 4.
Yeah.
So in love, so hence do or do pyar.
दो और दो प्यार.
So the fact that anything can happen for their own reasons.
Okay.
That's the thought.
Okay. तो अभी के जनरेशन में प्यार का मतलब आई डोंट नो टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट प्यार का मतलब उनके लिए कुछ या इट्स डिफिकल्ट. तो हाउ यू लुक अप लाइक अभी का जनरेशन में, ये आजकल के जनरेशन ये दो और दो प्यार समझ पाएंगे?
See, I feel, for in everybody's life, even being a fickle is a phase.
Yes.
I think at some point, the thing is now with social media and all, people just make words for it.
Exactly.
Situationship, ye-ship, wo-ship,
Yeah.
all of that. So these are all because people are out there, everybody has a point of view, everybody has a platform to say what they have to say. But I feel people are still the same. Was I fickle when I was 16? Yes. But then you grow out of it, and you do seek companionship in your relationships.
Exactly.
And that can't. I refuse to believe that changes. And also I want to believe that a generation back or even 2 generations back, what marriage meant. It was very important to make a marriage work.
Exactly.
A lot more than it is today, and that kind of pressure I feel is not right. Ki no matter what it is, make a marriage work.
Yes,
Why?
exactly.
And
Yeah.
it is always to the disadvantage of a woman. There's a
Yes.
lot
Obviously,
more
obviously,
expectations
yeah.
For a woman in a marriage. These were rules made by men for their conveniences.
Yes, exactly.
So there is no reason for us to stick to these rules. Kisne bola? Agar if anything doesn't work for you, you must find a way out.
Obviously.
Right.
Yes, exactly.
So
yeah.
So even for this generation, if a relationship doesn't work, of course you shouldn't stay in it.
Exactly.
But neither is being fickle an answer, neither is being stuck in a bad marriage an answer.
Obviously. तो जब आपने आपकी जब मूवी आ गई दो और दो प्यार, तो जब आपने देखा, मतलब जब आप ऑब्वियसली डायरेक्टिंग कर रहे हो तो आपको स्क्रीनिंग पता नहीं है, पर आपने जब स्क्रीनिंग देखा, हाउ वाज दैट फॉर यू?
I've seen the offline at least 2000 times.
Oh my god.
So, and it's such a learning that it is impossible to have objectivity about a film that you've made. It's like your child. You've put every piece together. How can you, when you see the overall thing, yes, of course, you take technical calls, too slow, too fast, I'm not feeling this, that. But beyond the point, like of course, when you see the full film, you feel very happy and proud, but it's not an objective feeling.
Exactly.
You don't know whether it is nice or not. You will like it no matter what it is, I feel. And that's a very scary part.
Yeah, but like absolutely बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है मेरे ख्याल से, तो obviously ऑडियंस को भी अच्छी लगेगी. तो yeah, obviously रिव्यूज़ काफ़ी अच्छे आ रहे हैं उसके, अगर आपने गो थ्रू किया रहेगा तो रिव्यूज़ तो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. इसका जो मतलब जो ओरिजिनल है लवर, वो मतलब उससे मिलता जुलता है ये पूरा पिक्चर?
The basic plot line is the same. There are a couple who have fallen out of love. But in the original film, the ending is different.
Yeah, okay.
But the rest of the basic premise is the same. But of course, we added cultural nuances to it. We added, the fact that there are 2 opposing cultures. One is Bengali and one is South Indian.
Wow.
वो सब तो उनमें नहीं है ना.
तो मतलब वो लैंग्वेज के लिए कितना डिफरेंट रहा होगा? मतलब जैसे मैंने सुना कि वहाँ पे एक पार्ट आया है जहाँ पे वो इंग्लिश पार्ट रहा है,
राइट?
या तो वो कैसा रहा? मतलब ऑन स्क्रीन आप क्या सोचते हो, ऑडियंस को अच्छा लगेगा?
I hope so, because I also believe in a urban setup nowadays. We hear a lot of English,
exactly,
right? Because there are so many people like how I am not good with Hindi because that's not my mother tongue. I'm a Bengali speaking person, so I feel there are enough people who speak in English in our world, so I feel there should not be a problem. There is not that much Hindi. I hope people are able to go past that.
Yeah.
But I also believe it helps to be real and original to what it is, instead of dubbing it and making it something it is not.
Exactly. तो lastly जब मूवी आ गई, you got so many messages, मतलब आपने अभी तक सेलिब्रेट किया है उस चीज़ को?
No, not at all.
So you are planning to do?
No, not yet. I don't know.
There is any upcoming movie or you're looking a project which is different?
No, not right away. But yeah, I'll take my time to find something I enjoy,
Okay.
and we'll see how that goes.
Okay, so we will love to see you again on the.
I hope so.
नहीं, I hope so too, but definitely लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि इतनी अच्छी मूवी आ गई है तो फिर तो definitely you have to go for another one as well.
Let's hope so.
Let's hope so. Any message to the audience and जिन्होंने आपकी मूवी
Please watch the film. I hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making it. Thank you.